I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Reporting suspicious activity on KuCoin is straightforward if you know the steps. Here is how to do it. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by logging into your KuCoin account using your credentials. This is necessary to access the reporting features. Step 2. Navigate to support. Once logged in, find the support section, usually located at the bottom of the page. This is where you can report issues. Step 3. Select Report Suspicious Activity. In the support section, look for the option that says Report Suspicious Activity. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Fill out the report form. Complete the form with all required details, including the type of suspicious activity and any relevant evidence. Be as specific as possible. Step 5. Submit your report. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the issue.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Remember, if you notice anything unusual, like unexpected withdrawals or messages, report it immediately. Happy trading and stay safe out there.